Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 27. The use of interest rates to control money supply is A. Control policy, B. Monetary policy, C. Development policy, D. Fiscal policy. So the concept we would look at is interest rates. Now, interest rate is, I'll represent it as IR, is basically a percentage charged on total amount borrowed or saved. Now, a control policy is basically concerned with determining allowed activities. That is what control policy is all about. Then for monetary policy basically is the policy adopted by the authorities to control interest rates payable for a short period of time. So that is what monetary policy entails. Then as for development policy, the development policy is basically all about activities aimed at promoting sustainable development. Then fiscal policy is basically use of a government revenue to influence the country's economy. So from this we see that the option that has something to do with interest rates is the monetary policy, and we see that it is a policy adopted to control interest rates payable. So the use of interest rates to control money supply is B. Monetary policy. So option B is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.